We're back at JCPenney headquarters to check out how the design samples actually fit on big and tall fit models.
All right, so here goes some of the product. We're super excited to show you this, Bruce. We have this lovely guy with the in the olive color as well as the indigo dye with the double chest pockets. Plaids are extremely important, so we're really excited to bring this in. It's an update to the flannel with the double pocket on the chest and this is a single pocket. This is some of our actual fall products, so we're excited.
Nice.
We're gonna have this cool table that has Henleys and color block tees, longer length, drop tails, things that just some fashion on a table, as well as the contrast pocket. Of course, our denim jeans, we offer them in relaxed straight fit as well as athletic fit. Hoodies for this guy, some tie-dyes, and then some camel prints, which we still feel is extremely strong for the season. So we're excited to showcase that in our store as well as show you today.
I love it. I want more green in my wardrobe in my life, so that is definitely something that I'll be getting. I love this.
Green is a good color for fall 18, so I think you'll be seeing quite a bit of green. Before, we had mentioned that whole red, black, and white trend. One of the huge trends that we saw was like this whole mashup thing happening. We did it with some tonal red plaids, the black and white print, just some color blocking.
Okay, let's see some of the stuff on models.
Awesome, let's bring them in.
All right.
So he's wearing something from our red, black, and white collection. He has on the cool long sleeve graphic tee. I'm going to take this off and go ahead and pull it. We'll put it on. Yeah. As well as the whole, like, the one thing that's really cool is just that whole layering trend, the fleece hood with the plaid. So we're really excited about that, and it has side pockets. He has on the jogger denim. So this is totally how this guy is gonna rock this outfit. So, and then we're gonna bring in our second fit model, Marcus. This is our active lifestyle. So what he has on is our color block tech fleece, which is great. We love this guy. He has the pockets as well as the jogger. All right, so now we're gonna bring out our senior technical designer.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about fit.
Yes.
All right. Do you wanna bring out the mannequin?
I can do that. So we have our live body, and we fit on live body to evaluate the balance of the garment, how it sits on the body, whether or not he can move, and whether or not he's comfortable.
This is not a common body form. It seems like it's a bigger body, which is not something that I've seen a lot of. Is that true? I mean,
that is true. This is specially made for fitting purposes for this specific body size.
With a fit model, you're really looking at what it's like when they're moving around, how they feel, their comfort level and everything.
Exactly. We want our customers to be comfortable.
So you're really trying to make sure that you've got the perfect fit for these. Yeah.
Yes, we do.
The samples are complete and off to production, so be sure to subscribe and check in next week when we go to a local JCPenney store to see the final product and see how it fits on some big guys. See you then.